Olalamox Solani from Flourish School, Oda Road, Akure, in Ondo State. What is today's date?
Today's date is 12/5/2020.
Today's date is 12/5/2020, and our subject is civic education. Our subject is what?
Civic education.
Again?
Civic education.
Under the civic education, we are going to look at our community leaders. We are going to look at our community leaders. Before we move forward, what is community? Shemilore, what is community?
A community is a place where people live together as a group.
Very good. A community is a place where people live together as a group. And we have, how many types of community do we have?
2 types.
Very good. Number 1.
Modern community.
Second one.
Traditional community.
Very good. We have modern community and we have traditional community. In every community, there are leaders. In every community, is it in Yoruba land, Hausa land, Nupe? They are what? They are leaders. These leaders, they control the people and the community. The leaders, they control the activities of the people and the community. The leaders, they are the ones that give information to the people. They serve as a link between the government and the people. They are the ones protecting the interests of the people. If we don't have a leader, if we don't assign a person as a leader, there will be peace in our community. Let's take for example what is going on in the whole world now. If there is nothing like a leader, people will not stay at home as it is being given that we should stay what? At home. And you know, if we don't stay at home, if we don't do what they ask us to do, we are liable to this what? To this virus. But because we have a leader that have the right, the power to control, to tell us what to do, that is the reason why we are what? In peace today. And this leader, they control the people and the community. Nigerian community leaders, they have their different what? Names. They have different names in their what? In their community. For example, in Yoruba land, the leader is called an Oba. In Yoruba land, the leader is called an what?
Oba.
Again?
Oba.
In Yoruba land, the leader is called an Oba. We call them Oba or King. If you don't want to call them Oba, you call them what? King. It's still the same thing. In Hausa land, we have Emir. The Emir is there to control the what? The activities of the Hausas. If there is no Emir, there won't be what? There won't be peace, there won't be progress, because we won't listen to anybody. We will see ourselves as what? As one. Though we have our parents, but apart from parents, we won't expect anybody again. Because we see ourselves, we are one. Do you get it now? In Igbo land, we have Eze or what? Igwe. It's either you call them Eze or Igwe, they are still what? Leader. In Nupe land, we have Etsu. All these leaders, they are there for the interest of what? Of the people. And we have roles of community leaders. What are the roles of community leaders? One of the roles is that they settle quarrels. If there is quarrel in a community, it is the duty of the what? Of the leader to call them together and settle their what? Quarrel, so that there will be what? Peace. Another role is that they give information, like I've said earlier, they serve as a link between the government and the what? And the people. You can't just go directly to the government. You have to what? You appoint a leader that will go there on behalf of the what? Of the villagers. So this person is the one that will go there. When the person come back, he will disseminate the what? The information. The third one is that they punish anyone who break the rules and regulations of the community. A community where there is no rule, there is no what? There is no law. So we must have a rule and regulation that will guide the activities of the what? Of the people in the community. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
In Yoruba land, the leader is called what? Gracious.
Oba.
Again.
Oba.
Very good. Clap for her. Ojuwa, in Igbo land, the leader is called
Eze.
very good. In Igbo land it's called Eze. Like I've said earlier, in Hausa land it's called Emir, and in Nupe land it's called what?
Esu.
And don't forget the roles of these community leaders. They are there to settle quarrels, they give information, they do what? They punish offenders. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. In the absence of no question, let me ask my own question. Who can give me one of the roles of community leader?
They settle quarrel.
Very good. They settle quarrel. They settle what?
Quarrel.
Very good. This is where we are going to stop today. Next time we are going to continue on the roles and the duties of the community leaders.
Oba.